Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email us, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today, we are discussing an incredibly rare and possibly unique Moser Cie Endeavour Tourbillon Aventurine, featuring Aventurine glass dial in a steel case. It's beautifully compact at 40 millimeters in diameter, 11.5 millimeters thick, 47.4 from lug tip to lug tip, with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. On my 16 centimeter circumference wrist, it wears beautifully to the point where I could recommend it for wrist to small, as 14 centimeters circumference down the barrel. The lugs are nowhere near the edge of my wrist, even over the top, which exaggerates the width of the watch. They're not out over the edge. Super flat flush with a sloped bezel. It'll slide underneath the dress cuff. Strap is high grade. Unusually for Moser, large rectangular scale, symmetrical scale alligator rather than kudu leather. This is a much more expensive type of leather, and it's suited to an Aventurine dial tourbillon. You could see the edges have been cut and lacquered. We have a monotone stitch and a calfskin lining on the bottom. No crimping, no gouging. Brand new Moser factory strap. I love that Moser makes steel tourbillon watches, and we have a steel polished and satinated Moser branded pin buckle. Moser cases are machined then hand finished to create these lovely polished scalloped hollows. We have vertical satination, then a concave bezel, a Moser branded crown. The dial, Aventurine glass. Created in Italy during the Renaissance, Aventurine glass is a type of enamel. So Gronfo fired multiple times at 800 degrees on a precious metal base. You wind up with a very dark translucent blue that includes metallic elements. It looks like the bottomless cosmos as we stare out into space and infinity. Of course, at Moser, concept dials feature nothing. No branding, no Swiss origin, no indices, no numerals, and that's what we have right here. Leaf-style hands. And then acting as our running seconds, we have a 1-minute flying tourbillon. It's flying because there's no upper bridge to block your view. 3 Hz beat rate, free sprung for durability. You can see it features 2 hairsprings horizontally opposed, so in any position, one causes the watch to run fast, the other, by an equal and opposite margin, causes the watch to run slow. So in any position, even if the tourbillon weren't rotating, it would cancel out the effects of gravity. So this is both a beautiful tourbillon and a chronometric tourbillon. Very few tourbillon regulators today actually improve the timing of a watch. Getting very close, you can see the most elaborately finished elements of the movement are the tourbillon structure itself. The flying tourbillon with no upper bridge to block your view, that was invented by Alfred Hellwig in the 1920s in Glashütte. Of course, Moser today, based out of German-speaking Schaffhausen, Switzerland. The caliber is based on the HMC 200, but this is called HMC 804. Bidirectional winding with a magic lever-style pawl-based winding system. It has a 72-hour power reserve, ceramic bearings for high efficiency, a solid gold rotor with 3 different finishes. We have media blast, snailing, and beveling. We have beveling on the bridges with polished screw heads, double-crested Côte de Genève, media blasted edges to the bridges. The polished screws come in several different sizes, all large and impressive. Note the bottom of the tourbillon mounted on ceramic bearings for a broad base to protect the mechanism and improve efficiency. And then we have a golden chaton cup holding the barrel arbor, reminding us that chaton set jewels and then chaton set in bridges by screws is how movements would have been made during the historic era of Moser watchmaking back in the 19th and early 20th century. And then all of this is water resistant down to 30 meters. If you love this watch, you're not going to see another one like it. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.